International Nurses Day, which is being celebrated across the world on May 12th, was also observed in Meghalaya today in West Jaintia Hills. Nurses Day celebration organized by Trained Nurses Association of India was inaugurated by the Additional Deputy Commissioner and Project Director of DRDA, Ferdinand Basan, at a function held at Bishop's House, Lo Mi Sintu Mi Nintudu. This year's theme is Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care.
So we understand that you especially are the first responder, the people who give, you've written so many good things there. You have given caring, you've given love, you've given, that selflessness in doing something which you are bound by the duty that you are performing.
The weather report.